मुश्किल से ही आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल।
Okay. I'm starting. Okay. कहीं दीवाना कहता है, कहीं पागल समझता है। कहीं दीवाना कहता है, कहीं पागल समझता है। मगर धरती की बेचैनी को बस बादल समझता है। मैं तुझसे दूर कैसा हूँ, तू मुझसे दूर कैसी है। ये तेरा दिल समझता है या मेरा दिल समझता है। मोहब्बत एक एहसासों की पावन सी कहानी है। मोहब्बत एक एहसासों की पावन सी कहानी है। कभी कबीरा दीवाना था, कभी मेरा दीवानी है। यहाँ सब लोग कहते हैं मेरी आंखों में आंसू है। यहाँ सब लोग कहते हैं मेरी आंखों में आंसू है। जो तू समझे तू मोती है, ना समझे तू पानी है। जो तू समझे तू मोती है, ना समझे तू पानी है। थैंक यू सो मच।
ओपी सर, ओपी।
Nice.
Great, sir.
Mutalib sir, that was so great.
मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना रे, दे दूंगी जान जुदा मत होना रे। मैंने तुझे बड़ा देर में जाना, ओ अकसूर खफा मत होना रे। थैंक यू।
Okay, so you may now see the dialogue quiz.
Okay, fine.
You have to
You have to guess the dialogue from which movie is it.
All right.
You have to guess the movie, and it is an icing, it is the cherry on icing if you can guess the actor's name. And 60 seconds.
Pushpa, I hate tears.
राजेश खन्ना। पुष्पा, I hate
राजेश खन्ना।
From which movie?
डायलॉग बोल के बता दो।
Chingari.
No.
निदान सर एक बार डाल के बता दो ये वाला।
पुष्पा, I hate tears.
Okay, we'll just give a
The
hint.
movie is Amar Prem.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And switch on your camera. How would we know that you're cheating from Google?
Yes, now we have the line
Yes,
to say.
ma'am.
कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी की पूरी कायनात
शाहरुख
तुम्हें
खान,
उससे मिलाने की कोशिश
शाहरुख खान।
मूवी मैम, वी नीड द मूवी। तारीख पे तारीख मिलती रही है, लेकिन
Sunny Deol. The movie is Damini. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
दामिनी।
Yay, Damini. Yay.
Hi everyone. Hi Nitan sir.
Hello everyone.
How are you? Ma'am. Mutalib sir.
Girl and
Hello,
Pramada,
ma'am.
please.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Girls.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all, Niru ma'am.
Thank you. Well, I answered all the questions, and I don't know, there's some connectivity problems, and I even was sending it in the chat, so I should be granted.
Ma'am, everyone is a winner for us. Every teacher is a winner.
And thank
Yes,
you
ma'am.
so much. Thank you so much for organizing this wonderful program. It makes us feel so good. Otherwise, हम सोच रहे थे ये साल तो ऐसे ही चला जाएगा.
Ma'am, we have more to come.
Yes.
Can we start? We have more to come.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, certainly,
Ramadan, girl,
certainly.
please take over.
Roam around your house, take a look and find an object that describes you. It could be anything, a food item, any sort of object, something on your first aid kit.
There is nothing special in this house where I am sitting which can describe me, such a big thing. So let it
Oh,
be me.
great.
Okay.
I have given
So what
you
about
my
a
object.
dictionary?
That's my object.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, it is still there.
Yes, ma'am, you can explain why is it you.
Do I
That's
need
a,
to?
that's,
Okay,
dictionary.
I'll just say the names. Please describe your objects, okay? Mutalib sir, first of all, it's you. You have to give us an object.
Oh,
Okay. All
that is
the
the marker.
other please mute yourself.
They used to. Hello.
Yes, sir. Why is it a marker?
It is actually it's my favorite. That's why, because it's my life.
Okay, sir. Okay. Next up is Ashrama ma'am.
I'm using my life. I'm using
Ma'am,
this
answer
life.
me the last one. I always answer the things first.
Okay. Sorry, ma'am. You
Okay,
can go
fine.
ahead. Ashrama ma'am, go ahead.
It's me again.
Yeah.
Okay. It is this green bamboo. Actually, not only bamboo, I relate a lot to plants. I'm a very emotional person. It is always said that when you keep a plant at your home, if you give them very positive vibes, it will flourish, it will grow. So I believe somewhere that I am a very emotional person, and the emotions and vibes around me makes me and gives me an ambience. Like if I'm able to do an activity right now because I get a lot of positive energy from you guys, so that makes me do all the activities. So I believe that I very much connote to this object. So that is why I chose this object. Thank you.
Nitan sir.
Nice man. Nice man.
So you're asking me to perform it?
Yes, sir. Actually, you'll just say a question. I'll reply you in a question. Then you have to reply me in a question. Then I'll reply you in a question. Whosoever says a statement first loses the game.
Is that the right answer you gave me?
What do you think, sir?
Do you think me to accept it?
Sorry?
Do you accept me to accept it?
I don't
Do you expect to accept it?
Sir, your
Do you-
voice is breaking to me. Just a second.
Do you expect me to accept it?
What do you expect?
Right. How many questions do you want me to ask?
What do you think?
How long would it be a question one?
Sorry, sir?
How long would it be a question form?
How long do you think it will be?
Will there be a time when it will be a statement form?
Do you want it?
Don't you think I should want it?
What do you think?
Do you think that I should think again and again?
What do you expect me to think?
Do you think that I should expect anything more?
What are your views?
Don't you think my views are clear?
Sorry, sir?
It is more than 5 seconds, Chitra, you lose.
Actually, he was not audible to me. I said sorry, sir. Sir, could you repeat what did you said in the last?
I said
Wait, what? okay, Bomixer, you win. But it was nice
but you
playing.
did.
No one can beat Bomixer, you know.
But sir, I hope you liked playing it. Did you?
No, it was good. You did it well.
Mitra gave a tough competition, huh?
Thank you so much, sir.
She
Thank
tried
you.
her best. She tried her best.
I hope you all had fun, but unfortunately, we have come to an end here. It was lovely to have you all here. We wish you a very happy Virtual Teachers Day. Thank you for your hard work and dedication towards providing quality education. Bhaumik sir, since the principal ma'am is not here, we would like to request you to say some parting words and even a remark if you would like.
Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, all my children over here, my dear staff, my colleagues, first of all, what pinches me, what have been, that is the story was, that is, I am, what I could say, in a deep pain to meet all of you in proximity at I used to be there. In the, really, it gives me a pain. I don't know when the time will come. Sometimes I feel the time has already come, and it will come. Nothing is there in the vicinity now as such. People are falling sick, those only who are very terribly sick beforehand, and those who are not taking any physical exercises, yoga or anything like that, and sleeping till late. So that is the thing. Otherwise, if you are able to help yourself out through exercises and yogas and games, so it is okay, and take care of your food and all. That is the thing. And what is the great strenuous thing is this: the only strain in mind is to meet you people. I don't know when. All together. That class. I know people must be laughing that Mr. Bhaumik's class used to be of 120 and 130. And abhi to ye hai ki dur rehna chahiye. So that is the thing. But I tell you, my strength is such. Again, we will be all together. That 120 will be very soon. You know? So,
So waiting
not
for
hope
it.
for the best. It is already the best. It will definitely happen. And all my best wishes to the would-be outgoing class 12 and 11 also. Lovely children they are. So hopefully we meet all together soon. With this, I'll conclude it today. My love and regards to you all, to your parents and your friends, everyone. Thank you, children, so much for putting up such a nice show.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Actually, there is one thing which I would like to request. Can everyone, please, everyone turn on their cameras? I want to click a screenshot for this. Can we do some gesture all together? What would you suggest, sir? Bhaumik sir, what would you suggest? Which gesture should we do?
You want to do what?
A gesture.
You want to?
A gesture
Yeah.
or a pose.
Yes, sir.
Why not?
Yes, sir. Would you suggest some gesture? Gesture.
You want me to do?
No, sir. Just suggest the gesture.
Just suggest us something and we'll all follow your path.
I couldn't get your point actually. Gesture, how can I suggest the gesture if I
So just
name
like
them?
just like this, or maybe something like anything. It could be.
I do show it on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we all will do it. We all will follow you. Yes, sir. It could be anything, or any other teacher could even tell us.
I have done one.
So we can't hear you. We can't see you actually. You have to do it a little down. Your
You
hand is
went
going out of the
a
camera.
Out of the camera frame.
Yes, so now you can do it.
Mutalib was ready.
Okay, everyone do this, please. Everyone do this. It's just like we are taking each other's hands together. Everyone do this, please. Mutalib sir, do this.
There are differences and there. No, Mutalib is doing absolutely wrong. See, I did this. which can be a rag of any song also. Janak Janak Ture Baje Paeliya, it can be that also. But Chitra is asking as if begging something, and Mutalib is doing as if bestowing something, giving something.
Okay. But everyone, please do this, okay? I'll do it.
Please. Thing. It is just like this. Just like this.
This.
Classical song, he can do it. Mutalib doesn't know. So that's why he is doing wrong again and again. It is like this. Like this.
Alif sir, feel like Tansen.
Like this. Yes.
It is.
Bhavik sir, is it right? Is it right position?
No.
From down. You don't have to do like this. Go down.
अच्छा
Sir, palm
ऐसा मत करो सर बस मिल रहा है मुझे मिलेगा
No.
All the teachers, can we have a high five together?
ऐसा
All the
ऐसा
teachers, can we have a high five together?
High five.
Bhavik sir?
yes
Like this.
Yes. High five. Sonali
Bhavik
ma'am.
sir
High five.
yeah like that
V for victory.
victory for victory
They can also do this, taking a selfie.
अरे यार जल्दी करना.
They did not know. They said people do, so we are.
yeah
Okay, thank you all the teachers. Thank you so much for making our day. Thank you so much.
friends.
We love you all the teachers. We love you.
We
Thank you so
really
much to
hope
all
that
the
you
12
will
of 11th plus students. Thank you so much. Madam. For
Thank
a
you all.
wonderful क्या बताऊँ मैं?
Okay.
So sorry we couldn't organize it really well, which we thought we would, because it was online.
Yes.
But we tried our best. We actually gave 100%.
Just pray ki everything gets better soon.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
all the
ma'am.
teachers. Thank you so
you.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
And God bless you.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye,
Bye,
teachers.
bye.
Happy Teachers Day once again.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
And I have an idea. How about having such calls like once a month? It was a great fun.
Sure. That would
Bhavik
be
sir
great.
can share his stories. Right, sir?
Definitely.
That would be a cure to our boredom, huh?
Yes, ma'am. It was fun, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.